Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, August the 26th, 2022. We are in the library, so I cannot talk too loud. We have here two Sudokus, one with the light, Sudoku Light, and the second one is a Sudoku Heavy. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku. 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. And the final one is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. 7 extra puzzles, I won't do them all. 4 of them I will solve. But first, these 2 puzzles, the light and the heavy one. And what's the news of today? Well, the news of today is, let me show you. We have here in the Netherlands a crisis, asylum crisis. There's a chaos in our asylum. How you say that? Center in Ter Apel. All the refugees go there to register, but there are too much refugees there, so they cannot stay there. There are a lot of people, I believe 700 people, more than 700 people are in front of that center, and they're sleeping on the ground, so no place there. So we have a crisis there. Anyway, let me continue. With the first puzzle. The first puzzle is a Sudoku Light. Alright. This will be number, let me focus, this one. 5074. Alright. 5074. Before I start, I always count to print the digits. Well, this one, we have 9 big squares. Each big square has 4 printed digits. 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be easier than the 1 star. For the 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. I think this one maybe 13-14 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let me start with the 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. I cannot continue with the 1. Let me go to the 2. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Yeah. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So in the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes early with the 2. Now we have a 2 here in this row, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be 2. Alright. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Well, let me go back to the 1. Only 1 number here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Let me go to the digit 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that last column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Still cannot continue with the 1. How about the 4? 4 4. No, cannot continue with the 4. 5 then. 5 5 5 5 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 5 5, okay. Yeah. 5 5 cannot continue with the 5. Go back to the 1. No. How about the 4? No. 6 then. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And we have a pair. 6 and a 5 in the third row. 6 and a 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 will be here or there. We see here 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Cannot continue with the 6. The 1 also not possible. The 4 will be difficult. How about the 7 then? 7 7 here. Need a 7 here. 7 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see a 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. 7 could be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. Last column. The only place left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below. The only place left for the 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, only place left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. 8 here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. Then 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so in the last column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 8. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. The 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes, told you. Around the 50 minutes I need for the Sudoku Light. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a Sudoku heavy. Until then, bye bye for now.